Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharat Natran. Now we are in a ninth video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm going to explain about the link components. Before that, if you don't have deep understanding of routing in Next.js, I will provide the link for the video in the top right corner of this video. You can understand the routing through the reference. Either I will provide all the routing videos link in the description. You can refer there. So without further delay of the time, get into the agenda of this video. Link component is commonly used to achieve client-side transaction between routes. It is nothing but the routing is happened smoothly with smooth transition in the client side when the user or end user hit the tag or link component or particular element. So with the link component we can also achieve higher SEO. Uh, we when we use anchor tag we will comparatively achieve lesser SEO because of the link component wouldn't refresh when user hit the link, but when user hit anchor tag it will refresh the whole page. This is the reason link component achieve the higher SEO. SEO is nothing but the search engine optimization, which will increase the traffic in your websites. We also use some common props in the link component. href replace scroll. Scroll will be always by default true, which all when the user hit the button and navigate to the page, it automatically scroll to the top of the page. This is the purpose of scroll. The href and the replace I will explain in the flow of the video. Now get into the practical demonstration. So here we can see that this index.js will act as a home page. Here I'm going to get the link tag link product href. Href is nothing but which indicate the destination path. The after user hit the button, the file which is in the destination path will be rendered. So here I'm going to give the product. So we have mentioned the path, but we didn't have any source. For that I'm going to create source product. Within this product I'm going to create index.js, or yes, within this I'm going to rename the product function name as the product. So I'm going to kickstart the project. So now we can achieve the home page. The page is rendering. It's going to be end. Yeah, here we are in the home page and we have the link component. After clicking the link component we have achieved the product. For your deep understanding I'm going to change this product as a product page. Now you will definitely understand easily. So home page, here is the product tag. After clicking it 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 achieve the destination path product. So we have it display the product page source file. So this is a normal routing. Next I'm going to explain about the nested routing. Within this product folder I'm going to create product 1.js. ref function, and here product, another file product2.js, and in the home page I'm going to create another tool link. Here I'm going to provide a break component to understand easily the visual perspective. So here we are giving break. So I'm going to provide product 1. Here after this one I'm going to provide product 2. Here we are going to mention 1 and we are going to mention 2. In this case I'm going back to the home page. Here we have three options: product, normal routing, it is direct to the product folder; product 1, it direct to the nested routing; product 1, it direct to the product 1 source file. You can also see it direct to the product 2. So here we have achieved the nested routing. Next I'm going to explain about the dynamic routing. So for normally we will achieve dynamic routing through the props. Here the props achieved through the API. Here we don't use any APIs. Instead of that I'm going to provide my own variable as a prop. Here we have provided product 3. Now I'm going to remove this curly braces. For dynamic contents we are going to provide string literals. So variable product. So here fan. So instead of this, here also I'm going to provide props. So if we change the value here, it also change here. Here I'm going to create another file dynamic with name params.js. Yeah, I'm going to create the function. Here I'm going to give function name as a products. So to get the params we definitely we should use a router. So I'm going to import use router from here. Next slash router. Within this function component I am going to create the variable which is known as router to hold the use router hooks. Next I'm going to get the params, the param keyword which is mentioned here. Params. So here router dot query, the query which mention this param variable. We can remove this error by mentioning these words which is commented. The error is due to ESLint. You will definitely face this error, so you don't need to afraid of this. After this, I'm going to provide the params. So here I'm going directed to the home page. First, normal routing, which is direct to the product page. Product 1, nested routing. Here we have dynamic routing, which is product fan. In case if we change the value here, instead of fan I change it mobile, then here here you will change it to the mobile. If you click, you can see here mobile, and also you can see here mobile. So as I tell before, I need to explain this replace. So now I'm going to explain the replace. Mm, replace 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 here also replace. Replace is nothing but here we have in this product I'm going to create another routing like product 1 index link control C index. So if we achieve this, then we can, now we have to import the link tag, and I'm going I have provide this replace. First of all, I'm going to remove this replace, and I'm going to refresh the whole page. First, I'm going to click product. I have achieved the product page. Next, I'm going to click the product one. I have directed to the nested routing. Now, if I go back to the product page. Then I click back. I will go back to the home. If I provide replace here, then I'm going to product. I'm going to click product one. If I click back, I will directly achieve the home page. This is what I have. I will not directed to this product page when I click the replace. When I give the replace the link tag, because of it will not store the history of path in a stack. That's why we use replace in a link component. So this is what a link component we we can achieve with this link component. In future, I am going to post the video how we can achieve this link component programmatically using without using link components. So keep subscribe the YouTube channel and get the updates regularly